Um, hey you guys, I'm going to teach you guys the best way in which you can treat inequalities. Like if you struggle with inequalities, trust me, this video is for you and you will never ever experience that again. Let's start. The first thing you will want to work on in this type of equation is to write everything in standard form. Let's start there. We take this 15 to the other side, then we're going to have x squared minus 2x minus 15 greater or equal to 0. Now keep in mind, what does greater or equal to 0 imply? It means our answer must give us anything positive or equal to 0. Positive or equal to 0, right? So now let's start. The other thing after that, we'll start first by factorizing, and then as soon as you factorize, because it's the last time we're going to have positive and negative, and factors are going to be like 5 and 3. So 5 is the bigger number, it must take that negative, and 3, yes, 5 times 3, that is right, and then this if you minus them, they give you the middle term. Now the next thing is to get critical values, which are going to be x, which is equals to negative 3, and x, which is equals to 5. Keep in mind, this is not the solution. Those are only critical values. Now, here is our scheme starting. Here's where our scheme is starting. So you're going to write your critical value number 1, negative 3, and then you're going to write critical value number 2, which is 5 over there, right? So what you're going to do is, you're going to choose a value between negative 3 and 5, and then you substitute it in this equation. Then you're going to tell us how much you are, what are you getting? Is it positive or negative? That's all we are interested in. Let me just do this, guys. So let's substitute. I can choose 0 because it's between this and that. So if we substitute 0 here, we're going to get 0. If we substitute 0, we're going to get 0, 0 minus 0, 0, and then the answer is going to be negative 50. Now, we are only interested in that negative, right? Let's go again. If we substitute something greater than 5, let's substitute 6 here. That is already 36. Now, if we substitute 6 here, that is 12. Now, 36 minus 12, already it's a positive number, and if you minus 15, it's a positive number. We are interested in positive only. So we're going to have positive here. And then if you substitute something that is less than negative 3 also, it's positive also. So now, guys, here's an interesting thing there. Here's where our scheme starts. You are going to take, remember what I indicated here. I said we have something that is positive because our expression is greater or equal to 0. Ne? It's greater or equal to 0. So that simply means we're going to, this is what you're going to do. Ne? You take your arrow and then you point it towards positive. Towards positive, because we said that's positive over there. Even here, it must point positive. We can't go inside, meaning positive is outside. So now, this is how you're going to answer this question. First thing first, you must make sure that your x value is on your left and your constant, which is this critical value, is on the right. So that simply means we have x here and then we have the critical value over there. We have x here and then we have critical value. So that simply means your variable is on the left, the critical value is on the right. On the left, the critical value is on the right. Now, at your arrow here, because it's greater or equal to, just put a tip here and you just put a tip here. Now, this is what you're going to take. You take it as it is, this part only. You take it as it is and you replace it here. You replace it there. You take this tip here also and then you replace it here. And then you're done. You're done. So now, let's test. Let's test. If you substitute anything that is greater than 5, which is 6, if you substitute it here, you can use your calculator. You can go ahead and pause the video and use the calculator. If you substitute it here, the answer that you're going to get is positive. And then if you substitute anything that is below negative 3 or negative 3, you are going to get something that is greater or equal to 0. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to do another video whereby our solution is in the middle, where our arrows are facing inside. So I'm going to explain to you and show you how to deal with it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe, and comment. If there's anything that you need, feel free to contact me. Go.